Hey everyone, it's Joseph with Greywater Green. I'm going to show you one of our yards that we've done in the past. So this project was a free project for the homeowner based off of the rebates that they got from the city. The city was paying $3 a square foot to replace the brown crunchy lawn that they had to a drought tolerant landscape. And during that process, we put in a Greywater irrigation system. So the whole project was offset by that rebate. It's a drought tolerant type of landscape. We took about 3 inches to 4 inches of the soil out and backfilled it with mulch. But in each one of these locations, we put the aquifer pipe about a foot off of this sidewalk, and then another 8 feet right about here, and then one more right about this section right here. And that's on both sides. So you only have six laterals for the aquifer pipe, and it's all fed by the shower that's in the back of the house. It comes along the side of the house and then into the aquifer pipes and spreads out. What's really nice about this landscape was that before, when it was just brown lawn, dried, it wasn't very attractive to come out at all to do any type of gardening. But once we got this going, the lady of the house spends more time outside. She gets more involved with the garden, and it looks beautiful.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.